Hi, in front of me is REALME C3 and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. First of all, find calendar and click on it. Then tap on the month above and select a date. When you're done, you can click at the bottom right corner over here and select event. Then you can customize it however you want to. For example, you can add a title, choose starting hour, ending one, or click on the switcher so you can see your event all day. When you're done, you can also add people, location, set up notifications, minutes, hours or weeks before, click on done, take notes and many other things. When you're done, click on save at the top right corner, and now as you can see, my event was successfully added. If you want to delete it, click on it, tap at the three dots at the top right corner and choose delete, then delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!